What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. God bless you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, whether you're at the comfort of your home or if you're watching me while you're at your job. Hey, thank you for risking it all. Anyways, today's video, guys, is just really more of my opinion, my input in calling quits, right? Lately I've had a lot of inquiries and from friends and other businesses, and they're thinking about quitting. They're thinking about stopping from chasing their dream, and many of them are mobile detailers, and it's tough. This business is very tough, and I hope this video finds somebody that can relate to this video. And it's the struggles that we go through as small business owners. It's the struggles that we go through with our business. It's small struggles mentally, and it's heartbreaking to know a lot of detailers are throwing in the towel because they've been in the business 6 months, maybe even a year, and it's just not working for them. And my honest, I guess, feedback, I guess every time I get asked, should I quit, I don't know how to answer that, because in me, there's no quit in me. I have no resort. Right? In my head, I've always said there's no turning back. There's nowhere to go. And I think that's what really keeps me pushing every day, is that knowing that 6 years ago I said I would never go back to a car wash. No matter how bad I'm struggling, no matter how bad, I need a full-time job, I'm going to take my struggles. And I feel like nowadays it's many businesses are, and by no means am I trying to throw any type of negativity towards any business, but I feel like YouTube detailers are showcasing all these, like, how much do you make a day? How much do we make a day? And it's great, but it's sending a message to these people that it's like they can do it, and they're about to make $10,000 a month in their first month. And I mean, I have nothing against YouTube detailers, and I'm not trying to be cautious with my words, to be honest. This is just me kind of just talking. A lot of people focus on these YouTube detailers, and it sucks, because I wish I could see these people show struggles instead of just, oh, we out here making this much, we're out here making, I want to see the struggles of your business. And I hope I showcase it in my business. Many people have asked me, hey Carlos, are you gonna do a video of how much you make a month or how much you make a day? I honestly, you'd laugh at how much I make a day. I'm not here to finesse the pricing. I'm not here to showcase a big number. If I could tell you exactly how much I make a day, you'd be like, dang, you're at the bottom of the chain. But I keep it honest. If I do struggles, you'll see them, and you guys have followed me through the journey, and I think I have kept it as real as possible and showcase to you guys, the true meaning of detailing. It's those who are out there grinding it in and out, but still showcase a little bit of your struggles. It'd be nice so that all these detailers that follow you guys, or that follow these YouTube detailers, they understand that this is not easy. it's not easy, and a lot of people are starting to throw away the towel, and I think today was just one of those days as I was working, and now I'm about to end this video. Thank you for watching this far. Today I was really thinking why in my business, the why am I still in business? And to be honest, I'm still in business, one, because I fight my battles every day to never go back. Every day is a new day. Every day is a different day. I do a lot of coatings. That's okay. But I get a lot of interior details, and that for me is a blessing. But every day there's, we've all had it. I've had it in my career as a detailer, where I'm ready to throw the towel. I'm ready to, I gave it my all, and I guess maybe it's time for me to just look for a full-time job. And you guys be like, what? Yeah, I've thought about it. Sometimes we get so beat up trying to focus on this business, right? And we forget to really take care of ourselves. So if you've been ready, or you're maybe this close to throwing in the towel, all I can say to you is, hey, don't give up. Don't give up. The road as a detailer is not easy. It's not easy. And we struggle, we cry. I've cried many times in this seat right here, on the driver's seat, thinking like, God, how am I gonna pay my bills? Or God, how am I gonna make it through? This was many years back, from when I got evicted and living in the back of this truck for 3 months because I didn't want to go tell my parents that I had gotten evicted. And in those moments of me being in those struggles, I cried, I got frustrated. I fought with God many times, seeing why me? Like, I don't do harm to nobody, but why do I struggle? And now I understand that, the struggles made me stronger. The struggles made me enjoy life at the bottom. And if I ever make it to the top, I really don't know how it would be. My life has always been fighting many battles. But don't quit. If you're ready to quit your business, if you just don't see nothing good coming your way from your business, just be patient. This is hard. Trust me. When you don't get no phone calls, if you have a family, you're not getting any bookings. You're doing everything in your power to book an appointment, and you just can't get it. Have faith. Have faith that you're gonna get it. That you're gonna get some bookings, and don't quit. And I hope that many can relate to this video. But don't quit. That you started this dream because something in your life you were tired of doing. For me, I was tired of working for somebody. I was tired of having to work from 7 in the morning to 7 or 8 at night at the car wash. I didn't see my family. I wanted weekends off. So it's all those things is what motivates me to keep pushing. And I will never quit my dream, and in hopes of someday making it somewhere in life, right? But anyways, I don't want to make it any much longer, but I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys be safe. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with something different. Later, guys.